80 animals.
Turtle.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. Do you enjoy this class? Good. I do too. This time we will learn about turtles. This is a turtle. It has a hard shell on its back. We will begin with some new words. Are you ready?
Shell. A shell is a hard covering. In the picture, the arrow points to the snail's shell. What other animals have a shell? Hide. Look at the cat in the picture. It is hiding in the trash can. The dog is looking for the cat. When we hide something, we put it in a place where it is not easy to find. Inside. In the picture, the ball is inside the box. Where are you now? Are you inside your house? Are you inside your classroom?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Inside. Shell. Hide.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
What animal has a large shell on its back? Yes, it is a turtle. Some turtles live on land. The land turtle is called a tortoise. It has 4 legs. It moves slowly. When it sees an enemy, it hides its head and legs inside its shell. Some turtles live in water. The water turtle is called a turtle. It has 4 webbed feet. It can swim fast. When it sees an enemy, it can't hide its head and feet inside its shell. It swims away fast from its enemies. Water turtles can also move on land. It lays eggs on land. Where does the tortoise hide its head? Behind its legs. In its shell. Which turtle has webbed feet? Land turtle. Water turtle. Where does a turtle lay eggs? On land. In water.
How was the class today? Was it easy or hard? That's all for now. I will see you next time. Goodbye.